Hello and welcome to NV360 channel. In this video, we will talk about why some people lose respect. Respect is an important aspect of healthy relationships, and it is essential to treat others with kindness, empathy, and understanding to build strong and positive connections. It is always better to focus on how to earn and maintain respect from others by behaving ethically, being honest, showing integrity, being accountable for your actions, and treating others with kindness and respect. Respect is not something that should be demanded or expected automatically, it is something that should be earned rather than given automatically based on age, status in the society, wealth, and connections. Additionally, respect is subjective, and what one person considers respectful behavior may differ from another's perspective. Respect is a two-way communication, and it involves both giving and receiving respect. There are many potential reasons why some people, including older individuals, may experience a loss of respect from others. Here are a few possible reasons. Changes in social norms. Social norms and values change over time, and what was once considered acceptable behavior may no longer be seen as such. Elderly people who hold outdated beliefs or who behave in ways that are no longer socially acceptable may lose respect as a result. This can be particularly challenging for older individuals who may have grown up with different cultural norms and expectations than those that are practiced now. Poor behavior. People of any age may engage in behaviors that are considered inappropriate or disrespectful, such as making inappropriate comments or failing to show consideration for others. This can range from being rude or dismissive to engaging in criminal behavior and can lead to a loss of respect from others. Treat people based on personal gain. When people treat others solely for personal gain, it can be seen as manipulative, selfish, and dishonest. This behavior can erode trust and respect in relationships because it shows that the individual is not genuinely interested in the well-being of others, but rather in what they can get out of the relationship. Additionally, when people prioritize their personal gain over the interests of others, it can be seen as unethical and immoral. This type of behavior can damage reputations and erode trust in communities, making it difficult to build positive relationships in the future. Bragging too much. When someone brags too much, it can come across as if they are overly focused on themselves and their accomplishments. It can be difficult to determine whether their statements are genuine or fabricated. This can lead to skepticism or doubt about their credibility. Ultimately, when people treat others based solely on personal gain, it can lead to a loss of respect because it goes against the principles of mutual respect, honesty, and integrity that are essential for healthy and fulfilling relationships. It's important to remember that respect should be earned based on an individual's actions and behaviors, rather than their age and wealth. Please treat others with kindness, empathy, and understanding, even if we don't agree with their views. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you enjoyed this video and hope that it brought some value or entertainment to your day. If you found this video helpful or informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up to let us know. If you haven't already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest videos and content. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos as well. We cover a wide range of topics and are always exploring new ideas and perspectives. We hope that you'll find something that resonates with you and that you'll continue to join us on our journey. Thank you again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.